How to fix your bank network is down. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your bank network is down. If your bank's network is down and you need to troubleshoot the issue, here are the steps you can follow. First, go to the bank's official website or social media channels to check for any announcements about network outages or maintenance. Banks often post updates when their services are down. If you're trying to access your bank through a mobile app, switch to a computer and try accessing it via the bank's website. If you're already on a computer, try using a mobile device. Also, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data. Sometimes the issue might be with your device. Restart it to clear any temporary glitches and try accessing your bank again. If the network is down, contacting your bank's customer service directly may provide you with specific details or alternative ways to access your account. They might also confirm if there's an outage and provide an estimated time for resolution. If it's a widespread issue, the best action may be to wait until the bank resolves the network issue. Keep monitoring the bank's official channels for updates on when services will be back online.